Good afternoon. Welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Benjamin Patchen, and today I'm going to walk you through a 2019 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. Come aboard. This boat's equipped with twin 300s. These are V8s. As you step into the boat, you'll immediately see we've got this seat here that also converts to a settee. You've got a rear bench seat and a dive door. As we walk up to the front of the boat, notice very large cleats, inboard rails, got your windlass. We've got cushions that go here and actually fill this to make this about a sun pad. The lounger opens up. You've got rod storage and a lot of other storage. As we move around the boat, here we've got the head. Now we've got dual screens. We've got active trim. We've got vessel view, and this is also a joystick boat with skyhook. Once again, my name is Benjamin Patchen. Thank you. If you have any questions, please call me 561-657-9377. Have a blessed day.